everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1967 Ford Mustang. This is a Shelby GT 350 tribute car. Very cool car, man. This is original color combination. This is lime green metallic with a black vinyl interior. It's got a very cool tan top. Pretty car, man. Super cool drivetrain in this thing. I thought it was so cool. It's got a 302 with a Paxton vintage supercharger in it. It's got a Borg Warner 5-speed manual transmission. And again, it's a Shelby tribute. It's got all the Shelby dress-up kit on it with the roll bar. Very nice car, man. Recent restoration. Gentleman told me there's not many miles on it since they got the car done. It's got Kelsey Hayes Shelby style wheels on it with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's also got the extended front nose and extended front frame like the Shelbys did. But pretty car, man. Runs and drives excellent. Again, I love that 5-speed in there. I thought that was cool. When we popped the hood, it's got that Shelby or Paxton supercharger on it, which I thought was very cool. You can see it's got the GT front fog lights. Good looking car. Chrome and stainless is very nice. The paint's nice. You know, as you walk around, you can see a few little touch-up marks on the car. But very nice car. It's got the white Shelby stripes on the hood and the deck lid. It's just a cool car, man. We'll put that top up for you too. It's pretty cool. It's got like a tan top on it. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Got the side scoops. The car sits low like these cars did. It's got stainless exhaust tips on it. It's got Flowmasters, but it's got stainless tips. Shelby side scoops. Again, these are Kelsey Hayes wheels. Very cool color combo. And again, that is the factory color. It's got front disc brakes. Can you believe it, guys? I think spring is getting ready to get here, man. Finally got some decent weather. It's a 302 cubic inch engine. Again, it's got that very cool Paxton Cobra supercharger on it. It's an Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got headers on it, Cobra valve covers. Does have power steering and, I'm sorry, it does not have power steering. It's got manual steering, but it does have front disc brakes. Detailed up nice underneath the hood. It's got the old Shelby American tag on it. Fun car to drive down the road, I'll tell you that. Nitpick the A-pillar chrome a little bit. Here's your original door tag. It's got the black vinyl interior. Bucket seats. It's got the Shelby wood wheel. It's got all the correct seat belts in it. Showing 15,146. I'm figuring that's 115, guys. Factory dash. It's got a aftermarket tach in there. AM FM radio. It's got, like I said, it's got all the correct GT trim on it. It's a power top. Jay's going to put that up here for you a second. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock rear end, 9-inch Ford rear, and it's just a stock gear, nothing crazy in there. It's even got the Kelsey Hayes spare. You can see it's all new fuel tank. Took some nice pictures of the underside for you. Very cool car, man. Bunch of new stuff, guys. Try to get a lot of stuff in the next couple of days, and we got some rain coming in, but I'll try to get as much stuff as I can, get it advertised. But we've got probably 12 new cars that have literally just come in last night and today, so we'll try to knock them out as fast as we can. It's just a good looking car, man. Car runs too, of course. That supercharger helps. And this real quick. Sorry, guys. Trying to save Jay from having to get out of the car. That's a great looking car, man. Fuel gauge is working. Tach works. Looks like all your other gauges are working. Parking brake does work, guys. I'm not sure how easy you can see that. It's got the sequential tail lights, the turn signals. Power top's new. Yeah, it's a cool color. It's like a light tan. You can see it's new. Oh, you're brave, Jay. You're going to drive down with the top down.
Nice today.
Yeah, he's rushing this season. Radio works, blower motor.
Yep.
Blower motor does work. See the fog lights work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Jay's brave, man. It's cold out. It looks nice, but it's still cold. Truck got in my way. Have a great day, guys.